Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Arija Ziadi, and I would like to welcome you to the launch of our product. In our presentation today, we'll be talking about Nespresso new coffee maker, Smart Presso. We will start by describing the product idea and who our targeted customer is. Then we will introduce ourselves, the team members. Then we will give you a brief overview of the product specifications, including the work breakdown structure and budget and time estimate. Finally, we will conclude by showing you some of our marketing strategies. So, let's get started. Tired of having to do boring things like standing up, walking, and pressing buttons just to get your caffeine fix in the morning? Don't worry, we have the solution. By using the new Nespresso coffee maker, Smart Presso, you can make your coffee anytime from anywhere, just by using the Smart Presso mobile application. In addition, you will be able to set the coffee maker timer to start making your coffee whenever it suits your schedule. Our targeted customers are coffee lovers, whether they are employees, students, or just thirsty. This is the team who made Smart Presso possible. And now, please welcome Zainab who will explain our work breakdown structure.
Hi everyone, I'm Zainab Al Tawfiq, the hardware engineer of Smart Coffee Maker project, otherwise known as Smart Espresso. Let's now look at our work breakdown structure of our project. As you can see here, we divide our project into 6 phases. First, market research. Second, production planning. Third, product design, which we design two products, the machine and the apps. Therefore, to prototype, I design the machine itself. Fourth, testing. Fifth, launch and marketing. Finally, maintenance and monitoring. Now I will inform you about our product specification in terms of hardware. After analyzing the project requirement, I identified the main component of our project, which were microcontrollers, built-in Wi-Fi, set of sensors, several jumpers, and set of connecting wire. Then I designed the block diagram of a coffee machine and tested the machine after it was implemented. I checked whether it worked. There was a minor issue, but I redesigned it for some modification. Now Wadia will talk about software specification.
I'm Wadia, the software developer of our project. Did we develop an all encompassing experience from scratch? The answer is, of course, yes. I use two types of operating systems, Windows and Mac, to help me with developing the software. Also, I use Java and Swift language to develop Android and Apple app. Finally, I used a compatible browser because we have provided a website to access our app. That's all we needed to build our software. Now, let me show you some of the features of our app. You can set a schedule for drinking coffee. You can choose the cup size. In case of emergency, the customer will be notified if any ingredients are empty or about to be. To live a comfortable life and be in a good mood, you must use our app. It's available at Google Play and in the App Store. Also, you can use it from our website. Our app is like a work of art. Now, Haura will discuss the technical support.
Hello everyone, I'm Hawra Zair. I'm a technical support. I will discussing how we will fix the problems on the product. As a technical support, we will provide guidance should the user experience any problems while using the product. If something happened with the software component in the programming, the technical support can fix it. Even with the hardware, if something breaks down in the sensors on the product, technical support can fix it by replacing that part. For example, before I change the sensors, I would test it first before I replaced it. If the problem is from the sensors, I would replace it. If it's not from the sensors, I would test the wires, which can also be replaced. So, if the user does not find the solution themselves, for example, through the website, then they contact the company support team and it will be our pleasure to help them. Now, Sarah will discussing the budget.
Hi everyone, I am Sarah Al-Maghlouth, the financial analyst of this team. I am going to talk about our estimate budget. The total budget is approximately $77,000. Here from the chart we can see that the highest number of expenses are the salary with approximately $37,000. It's followed by the expenses of the consumable with approximately $22,000. We keep approximately $15,000 for the risk. Moreover, we spent $2,500 in the project component like SIM card and sensor. For more detail, this chart shows the difference in the percentage of the component budget. It shows that the buying a Mac laptop and SIM card deducted around 79% of the component budget. And now, Tarfa will continue.
Hello everyone, I am Tarfa Sultan. I'm the requirement analyst of the project. Today I will talk to you about the risks that we may face during our project implementation and how we are planning to overcome these risks. The first risk we may have faced during our project implementation is the delay of the component delivery. It's a high risk. To overcome it, we schedule pickup, purchase locally, and find alternative vendors. The second risk is if the technology components were not fit for purpose. As a solution, we plan to redesign the components or repurchase them. Moreover, the team member turnover is a moderate risk. Hiring part-time employees is a quick solution. Another high risk is if the estimates are inaccurate. In this case, we plan to use 25% of the budget which is allocated for risks. Last but not least, bugs in the code represents a high risk. That threats our project. We would overcome this by outsourcing and using compilers. These tables show in detail the risks, their impact, probability, prevention, and solutions.
Now I will leave you with Hawra to explain the time estimate of our project.
Time estimate. We developed a Gantt chart to show the start and finish dates of each phases. As you can see, all major phases have a strong finish to start relationship. We mark them in gray, while the subphases are in green. The overall period for the product development will be approximately 6 months. Now, Noura will discuss the marketing.
Hello everyone, I'm Noura Al-Gahtani, the marketing manager for SmartPresso. Today I will talk about the marketing strategies that we use to market our project. We are focusing on digital marketing by making digital advertisements and using them on YouTube, TV ads, and blogs. We also know that some people still use physical ads, such as the newspaper, so to reach all our customers, we made a newspaper ad. We believe in the power of social media, so we chose our celebrity endorsement to be George Clooney to make the ads on social media. As you can see, we always prefer the simplicity of our ads. Studies show that it's more effective. Here is the video that we use it as an ad on YouTube. Thank you for listening. We hope you enjoy Smart Presso.